Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We are going to see our new local liquidator that just started buying truckloads, and he has pallets now.
Yes, it's called Karz Recycling.
Yep.
Has been a guy that does scrap metal and those sorts of things, really knows that side of the world really, really well, and he's gotten some contracts with military bases, Scott Air Force Base, not too far from us.
Jumping into pallets, and we're gonna show you his place and some of the pallets.
Yes, we are.
All right, so here we go. We're gonna head on in to see his place.
Flip it and show him to him.
All right. All right, so he has this huge building right here. Here's his sign. Let's see if we can get a close-up of the sign. Karz Recycling, Used Surplus Furniture Warehouse, Illinois. So the address. So this is pretty much what his place always looks like. It's got a lot of like scrapping, and he's a scrapper at heart.
There's the scrap metal stuff.
Yeah.
Different things he's scrapping. People drop off for scrap. They just
I think
want to
the Boy Scouts get rid of scrap.
Yes, they
here
do.
Too.
Yes, they
and
do.
so he's got trailers of stuff, but he just started ordering pallets. And so we're going to go in and see some of the truckload that he has. I think it's customer return salvage.
Yes.
It's kind of what we have. So we'll give you a tour of his place and kind of what his pallets look like. $400 a pallet, which is like nothing. And you can come and pick it up locally, which is really unique because most liquidation places you can't come and pick up locally.
We are 7 miles from this place.
7 miles
That's
from
awesome.
our house. It's awesome. Okay, here we go. All right, so we're inside his warehouse, and we're gonna go back to see, he sells mostly furniture and stuff. So, hey Jerry. Can I introduce you? So this is Jerry. He owns the place, and he just started buying truckloads of pallets, which look at him. So we're going to go and check out his pallets, and he's gonna kind of show us around. So let's head on back. Karz Recycling, pallet liquidations, pallets of closeouts, overstocks, returns, and shelf pulls. Great for retail, flea markets, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark. Pallets from major retail stores. So let's check it out. He's basically got this section walled off from his furniture area. And so if you just want to come see pallets, you can come see pallets. So they're all kind of open in the top, but you buy the whole pallet as is. Like you can't really kind of rummage all the way to the bottom, but we can kind of glance in and see what we like. And if we like a pallet, $400, Jerry, you said? Or less. $400 or less, depending on what the pallet kind of looks like. Lots of nice bedding and stuff in some of these. So perfect for resellers and flea markets and stuff like that. So we're just going to kind of wander through and pick a few out. I think we're going to buy 2 or 3 today. But 7 miles from our house, that's the biggie. So Paul's going to give you kind of a good, nice look at everything in here. There's a skeleton in this one, Paul.
Sweet.
So it's either a dead body or an old Halloween decoration. We're hoping it's not a dead body.
It's Halloween.
You don't think Jerry's hiding dead bodies in his pallets? No, I'm pretty sure he wouldn't do that. So,
Oh yeah, there it is.
there it is. Yeah, the skeleton. So, anyway.
I think currently I have about 35 to choose from, and I'm hoping to get some more in soon.
So 35 right now. And then how can they find you?
Right now on usedsurplusfurniture.com,
Okay.
we're getting ready to post things.
Okay. So use surplus. We'll put your info down in the description. So can they just give you a call if need be too?
Yeah, they can.
If they're interested?
Definitely.
And then what days are you here?
I'm officially here Thursdays and Fridays 9 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 3.
Okay, but you live in the area, so
Yeah,
if
I meet people.
if they are a day that's not Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, they could probably give you a call and work something
Evenings
out.
and weekends, yes, I can meet people other times.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, we're just going to kind of get a good view of what you got. So 35 separate pallets. You bought a whole truckload, so you don't even know what's in all of these.
I have not rummaged through these. That's correct.
They come basically as is. We get to buy them basically the exact same way they came off the truck.
Correct.
All right. So, and then is this a Walmart load? But you're looking to get some other...
It's supposed to be Target returns.
Okay.
I'm not 100% sure. New to the game.
Sure.
I'm not sure what quality they really are.
Okay.
So we'll go from there.
Okay, awesome. So So you get them exactly how he saw them, but the bonus is only $400, which is not even close to being expensive in the Liquidator reseller pallet world. So if you want to check him out, I'll have all the details down in the description below. But we're going to go hunting ourselves, and we want to thank Jerry for kind of letting us sneak peek in here. Like I said, he's a brand new Liquidator in this area. So if you're anywhere near the St. Louis area, we're about 30 minutes east of St. Louis, straight up 64. So if you want to check him out, go ahead and go online. He'll have some pictures posted soon, probably by the time this video goes live. And then if you have any other questions, you've seen our video, you can kind of see the condition of the pallets, and then you can also give him a call for more questions too. So these are the ones that we have actually chosen. Cute little stuffed animals, very full. There's a Sven over there from the Frozen Disney movie, which I'm really excited to put together. Looks like it has a missing leg, but it's in the bottom of the box, we could see. And then this one back here has a complete Graco height chair, so I'm hoping to get good money out of that. So those are the 3 pallets that we have chosen. Hopefully it's been helpful to see this new Liquidator, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.